tree and get like you. And you said, no, that's my stuff. I'm supposed to drive. And he was looking at his tray. And no one was here. Him was going there and him was going here to watch him and he was sorry. And when him comes here, he feels happy. But when him only say, oh boy, da done. And then first they just up here taking a picture of what he was making my food. The end.